Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and OS because auto brightness relies on system APIs. Once that's clear, check battery and power modes so the system can adjust without restrictions. Make sure to clean or remove anything obstructing the ambient light sensor. Even a speck of dirt shifts behavior. Then open display settings and locate auto brightness or true tone. You'll begin adjustments there, so don't skip these immediate checks before changing values. Once done with initial checks, toggle auto brightness off and then on to force a recalibration. This often corrects misreadings. Next, manually change brightness across multiple environments, darkroom, office lighting, and bright sunlight, so the system learns your preferred levels. Make sure to enable any adaptive or true tone features your OS offers, and also review app-specific brightness exceptions. These nuanced adjustments shape how your device. To finish, restart your phone so all changes and sensor recalibrations take effect, and install any pending OS or firmware updates that target sensor fixes. If auto brightness still misbehaves, reset display or system settings to remove corrupted preferences. This step clears individualized tweaks while preserving data. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is overriding the sensor. One key troubleshooting tip. Flaky behavior often comes from apps with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.